over how to properly check the fluid levels. We'll be working on 2018 Volvo today. We're going to start with the coolant. Make sure the coolant is at the proper level between min and max. This truck takes red extended life coolant. Do not try to add green, blue, yellow coolant in here, or water. Do not top it off with water. On the water separator, these things have to be changed once the fuel gets to the top. There's a reading right here, change filter. You will let somebody know once it gets full. And then on your hubs, the hub has a level 2. Make sure it is on full, above minimum and below maximum. The only thing that should be going in here is synthetic 75/90 oil. Do not put any motor oil or transmission oil, only gear oil 75/90. And this is checked the same way on your trailers. If your trailers take oil in the hubs, it is checked the same way. Now let's swing over to the other side. To check oil, make sure you check it on a cold engine, preferably in the mornings. You're gonna pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, put it back in all the way, and then pull it out. You're gonna check the level, make sure it's above minimum, and make sure you do not overfill it. It is also bad to overfill it because you'll get oil leaks. So the only thing that should be going in these engines is 1540 motor oil. And then transmission, power steering is also checked the same way. You pull out the dipstick right here, wipe it clean, put it back in, and then pull it out again. Make sure it's above minimum, below maximum at its proper level. The only thing going into the power steering is transmission oil. Do not try to add anything else, but that's how you check power steering. This is an automatic transmission, but if you do have a Volvo with a manual, they do have a level for the pedal, which it's usually located up on the firewall, and the only thing going in that is brake fluid. And that is all for today. And that's how you properly check the fluid levels.